It's Monday. I feel so tired and I don't know why. But I think today's gonna be another chill day because I just don't have the energy. And yeah, I might knit a little. Nebby's passing out. Poor Nebula. I don't know if I mentioned, but she, from where they shaved her arm for the IV, she just licked all of her skin off. Oh my god, there's dirt all in her cone. Yeah, so she licked her arm until it started bleeding, and then we put a cone on her, but she keeps like running into things because she's not good with the cone. So we switched to like some athletic tape, high link, and she'll lick through the tape and then rub it raw. So that's not gonna work either. So we just gotta keep the cone on her until the scabs heal, I guess. But that's been a nightmare. Poor baby, my poor baby. I love you, I'm sorry you have to do this. I'm so sorry. But yeah, today's gonna be a chill day. I love you, Minky. Mondays are always weird, just because the weekends are always so much. And I try to like stay off my phone as much as possible on the weekends because I need some balance between like life and social media. Because if you don't have that, then you're gonna eventually go crazy. So I'm just gonna use the few hours of morning left that I have to catch up on other Vlogmas posts and hopefully not doom scrolling Instagram. So yeah, let's just get into it. See you guys later. On another note, I have not been drinking caffeine for like 4 days, and I made basically an entire pot of coffee today, so maybe I will get some crazy energy boosts here in a little bit and maybe do some stuff. I have ideas for stuff to do, I just have no energy yet, so we'll see if this helps. So I really want to make my nephew Attucis a little like pulley toy. I don't know if this is big enough, but it needs to be pretty thick. I don't really have any hardwood scraps that are thick that aren't being used for other projects. So I don't know. Look how cute he is. And I got these little wheels from some like airplane building thing that we got from somewhere that we're never gonna build, so might as well use them for a little man. We'll see though. Oh my goodness, I've sanded my butt off. There's still a little bit of places that needs to be sanded, and I have to do the front and back, obviously. And then drill the holes for the wheels, and the little hole where the rope goes in, and then round him over so he's not blocky. And he'll be done. He needs a name. He's really cute. Okay, I'm putting that on hold. I also have to sand a little cutting board that's right there for Attucis for Christmas. I'm gonna make him like a little wooden knife and like little wooden fruits with Velcro and stuff. But since I'm doing woodworking stuff today. I guess we're just gonna have a woodworking video. And Rachel, I didn't forget about you. I'm making you sock blockers. It's happening today. So, night sky knitting. I'm making her little bird's eye maple sock blockers. So, let's do that. I'm gonna stop here for today's video. I might do a little bit more later. He still needs to be sanded, the little fox, and finished. We're just gonna put some mineral oil on him just in case Addie puts him in his mouth. It'll be safe and that'll be good. Whatever I do, I'll film and then add it to tomorrow's video. I just wanted to get this video wrapped up so I could edit it and get it out before nighttime. But I hope you guys are enjoying these videos. I don't really have any like Advent style Christmas stuff going on, so I wasn't sure if anyone would even care to watch them, but I'm having fun, so I hope you guys are too. And I will see you tomorrow. Bye. Your daddy coming home?